So affordability has always been very important for us in the way we set up our program, because if it's not affordable, then it denies access to a lot of people. But there are various routes to accessibility, right? One, it's expensive to provide these services, and to make it sustainable, we have to find a way to cover the costs. What we always encourage individuals is to take up the low-cost membership that we offer. And this membership is just about 100 Jamaican dollars a day. If you have the membership of 100 Jamaican dollars a day, which I think is less than people spend to buy patty and juice every day, for most services, for this low-cost membership, it gives you unlimited access to cardiology consultation 24/7 for an entire year.